This is I mean, we've been going up all week.
We got news today.
10 a.m.
Well, we
I
had
forgot what it is.
NFP, but then we've got Michigan Sentiment.
That. Yes, that. I knew there was something.
Hello, chat. I'll let them continue their conversation here in a minute.
we're
but I
live.
gotta-
Hello.
That's exciting. We're live.
Well, at least we're talking about trading. Oh my god.
Yeah, no. Bit of warning next time.
I do this to them every time.
Way.
We like come in, they're mid conversation, they're talking about books or Mahomes.
Yeah, literally anything but trading.
Anything but trading. That's right.
I do. We'll
Well,
sit there for a
first
few
of
minutes.
all-
They'll be chatting. Go ahead, Dave.
First of all, congratulations to Wes on 100th stream.
Yeah, that's
Let's
awesome.
golf
I'm right.
clap for him.
Yeah, it is. Chat, it is officially my 100th live stream today. So that's an accomplishment for me. We'll say that.
That's
Thanks,
big-
Fletcher.
that's a big
Appreciate you.
deal.
Morning, Albu. Morning, Porch. Morning, Martin.
There we go.
Fletcher.
Wow, this is
Dave, I'm not
crazy.
going to say hi to you. Old man trading.
Morning, Dave.
Thank you. I
Nim
appreciate it.
Nimkins will be joining us. As you can hear, the British voice you hear in the chat is Mason. Long time no see, Mason.
Hello.
Yeah, welcome back, Mason.
I don't think I have this set up correct.
Had to show up for the 100th.
Yeah. Mason hasn't traded in a couple months, so bear with him. If he gets into a trade, he might get a little excited.
Yeah.
So how we feeling today, boys? Other than aside from hopefully an Eagles 55-0 romp of your Kansas City Chiefs, Dave.
Too big to rig.
So I saw a great meme. When it shows the country and what they're going to be watching, it shows us pocket around Kansas City and this pocket around Philadelphia, and then the rest of the country is gray. It's like hoping Tiger wins another major championship.
I wouldn't mind seeing Tiger win another one. I'll be honest with you.
Wouldn't mind it at all. Did you watch? Where is that SoFi golf stadium they have? Is that down there in
I want to say Jupiter. Yeah, Jupiter, Florida.
Yeah. I
If
watched
Taylor-
that the other day for the first time.
If Taylor Swift fell off, you wouldn't mind if Kansas City won, Fletcher?
True enough. Fletcher, dude, you're not in the Kansas City market. It's even worse than the Kansas City market watching this Taylor Swift show. I mean, you got to see it everywhere. Ugh.
Is Tiger even
Brutal.
playing after his mom passed away? I'm sure he'll play.
Oh, yeah, he'll play.
He's a competitor.
Got that dog in him.
Yep.
All right, chat. I'm trading the YM today. I've been abused too many times this week.
Yeah, Chad, something's wrong with my my stream overlays today, so if something glitches, just let me know and I'll try to fix it on the fly. Not ideal, but if something happens. It looks like the ticker's scrolling and everything. Okay. I think we're good.
Yeah, it looks good on
Nemo
my end.
Nemo will be hopefully joining us at some point. He didn't tell me that he had a doctor's appointment and didn't tell me that he was going to be missing the stream, but he is not around.
Fired.
So
pay deduction, I believe.
So A, I hope everything's okay with his health, but B, shame. Shame.
Shame.
Shame.
Shame.
No, he's gonna pop in here, and be like, "Oh, doctor's appointment. No, I just had to collect someone's kneecaps real quick.
Morning,
Just out doing
Kev.
business."
Yeah, he did make that sound really sketch when he was waiting on money to
Cash
show up at his
delivery.
door, like duffel bags of
Ooh.
money showing up at his front door.
Totally sketch. Well, my Mapster system says that on the YM, I kind of like uppies.
What is this Mapster system? I missed this entirely. I just saw you guys
I mean,
talking
it
about it in the
sounds cool.
chat, and I figured it was like I saw Dave referring to it like 5 times. It's like, okay, it's probably like the joke, but
It is a joke.
Yeah, it is a joke. It is a joke. Remember when he was calling
Because
it
my calls
his
are so-
roadmap? We were trying to come up with a different name, and we were funneling through names, and he settled on Mapster.
what roadmap?
And remember, like every call I'd make would be instantly wrong. So I'm like, yeah, that's my
Yeah.
system.
Yeah,
See,
it's the Dave indicator.
So I'm
The Dave
embracing the
Taylor.
suck. I'm not running away from it. I'm embracing it.
Very nice.
All right. Well, looking at the DOM,
There's open.
markets are open,
There's open.
guys.
Opening range
It's looking
is
like liquidity's kind of split on either side. Got a block sitting at 750. Got a block sitting at 22K, and fairly even in between those two spots. So,
We are
I'm just
open.
gonna let this shake out just a
let's
bit.
see. Fletcher, did
See,
you
look,
take your
it's not piece of
885
push-up.
short?
So this ticks.
Yeah. By the way, did you make money out of that trade last night, Wes, or did it come back and break you out?
$200.
Yeah, that's what you said. You're gonna put a point
Wait, that's
stop in.
20. Dude, oh my god.
Yeah, I was up like 1,000 on the trade at one point. I told you, it U-turned to like 2 ticks from that big block sitting at 900 last night.
That was amazing.
I don't understand how ticks versus points work on that YM. but
One
we're just
point is
gonna-
1 tick.
Yeah, I'm like figuring that out slowly as I go. and adjusting.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
A point is a tick.
It's very interesting. All right, we ball.
See
All
what
right,
we
we
got
are
here. I'm not-
definitely going up.
I think so. Mapster said.
This could very well turn into one of these squeeze Fridays where they just break the high and never come back.
Boy, yeah, I just don't want to play in this right yet.
You may not have a choice.
Yeah, I think you're right.
The
about
FOMO
that.
is so
Look at
real.
that.
Yeah, it's bad.
Oh my god, yes.
Enter. Just do
This
it.
is.
Just click the button.
Yeah, I can't. I mean, typically I would. You know me. Typically
Yeah,
I would.
yeah,
I'm trying to get smarter here at some point in time.
That's probably such a clean opening range breakout. Oh my god.
I know. And look at YM just mired in the muck.
There's
Nemo,
Nick.
you all good?
Yeah,
He's
you all
his
good,
tree.
Nim?
Or do we need to rescue you? Should we get on the corporate private jet?
I
Trading
can
with
be
the boys
down there in
private jet?
4 hours, Nima.
yeah. Yeah, we'll send
Hey,
Mason.
Oh, yeah, I don't want to chase this right now.
Yeah, I saw in the chat this morning, Nims. Still shame. Shame. We throw shame. Actually,
So is-
everything
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, that's a pretty clean breakout on the NQ. Oh
Yeah.
boy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh boy.
can't trade
Is
that.
health insurance check, is that code for somebody else's health or is that Nim's health? Boy, look at that breakout. Nice.
Yeah,
Everybody
Nims, you
grabbed
told me about the health check. You did not tell me about the trading with the boys missing the stream. That is not what you said.
40 points.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Well,
This is proof you
Not
don't
gonna
listen
chase
to me.
It's going.
You guys married or something?
What the hell just happened here? How did this
Why
pivot
ends at
into-
44,880?
into it. Just pinned to it.
Nims, I don't know what's going on YM. Let me look
This
at it.
is
Yeah.
crazy.
44,880.
Oh my goodness gracious, this NQ.
Opening at
What's
like
it
the
after?
overnight highs.
What is it after on the daily? Well, I mean, 960. You know, I don't want to say anything because Wes will get mad at me. But boy, look at it. Look at your trade now. Gosh darn
Yeah.
it.
That.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Crispy.
Yeah.
Dang.
Although I'm on
YM
MYM.
or
How
NQ.
different, how different is the spread on YM to MYM? Oh my god, I did not want to enter that. Dude, again,
You're
twice.
getting into trades, accidental trades.
It's a
Yeah,
sign to
twice in
stay
like
in
the
it.
same session. What am I? I didn't even press
Wow.
anything. I gotta delete my buy and sell market buttons. I don't use them anymore either.
Mason, be very
Oh,
careful
wow.
today. If it's your first day back in a couple months, this is
I'm
looking
gonna sling it.
this is looking squeezy.
Oh my god.
Boy, it is right now, isn't it?
I'm
When you
hands up
say
still.
they're going to squeeze the shorts, does that mean they're going to go up and take out some of their stops?
Usually on squeeze days, what you see is it run the highs like this, right? Settle around where sellers should step in, give the indication that it is, pull back 50% of this candle, and then slow grind the rest of the day.
Just kill them. Just
All right.
kill them. Because they'll be
YM's
DCA'd
selling a
in
little
and
bit.
all that other crap.
YM's getting a little bit of a sell.
I'm almost hoping that we get the sell.
Oh,
at some
yeah,
point.
it's going down. Yeah, YM's going. Yeah. I mean,
Full
I
retrace of this 5 minute would be nice.
don't know if we get a full retrace.
I'm not sure. Past 9:30, I'll say yes.
All right,
Hold the load.
I'm thinking it's going to squeeze, so I'm gonna try the long here.
Yeah, it's gonna squeeze. Kevin, you got a. Is that going to be a micro or a mini on that 21,880? What's that mean for you? Oh, Wes, you might have some here. Oh, baby.
Ooh, was that a overnight high break and retest there at 9:30?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Feeling like a squeeze.
Holy.
I'm short YM 44,820. Damn, it's gonna be a wrap on that one. Immediately.
Yeah, be careful around 80. Be careful around 802. It could be a point where it wants to hold up. What's your target, Wes?
Above 22K.
The moon? Yeah.
I'd go all the way today.
I'm gonna go break even though, because I don't want the nasty reversal. I want it just to squeeze.
No overnight high fake out on that one. That was touch overnight high and go.
That's what I'm saying. It almost feels like the squeeze. Problem is my entry's too far above overnight highs.
Yeah, that's the. You got in on the. Oh yeah, you didn't get it in on the wick down. You got in on it when it turned green again, like at 45 or something.
This is the area where Annan wanted a full port short. Oh, I'm out.
Full port is aggressive.
Yeah,
Oh, that's Annan.
Annan's pretty aggressive.
Yeah. Jeez. Aggressive with incredible confidence. I don't have that confidence.
He gives me a heart attack, man. Like, you never root for somebody else's trade so hard because it just, you feel ill while he's in the trade.
He puts everything on the line.
Oh my goodness, man. On his personal account too. It's not like he's not like props. He's like 50 minis short and long on his personal account. It's like, whoa.
I mean, he literally shows up on the Dom. He's one of those dudes. Oh, I know who that is.
Oh man.
The chances of having a coronary must like skyrocket with every contract that you add.
Oh, it's ridiculous. And he's not going in like one mini and layering in. It's like, hey, here's 20, here's 25 points later, here's another 20, another 5 points, and he's taking drawdown as he's adding into the position. So it's like, what is going on here? You're down 14 grand. Man. Quick.
And he just sits there. It's like, nope, it's coming back, brother. It's coming back. I'm like, wow.
Martin,
of course, he's got so much size, he's got to go and get it.
It's wild. Gives me a heart attack. You will literally be in a position the opposite side of him, and you will be hoping that you lose on your trade because it's like, you're rooting against yourself at some point.
Yeah, see, I was afraid of that 802 level. I was afraid of that.
Yeah, I took a reduced stop there. Like I tightened up my stop and I took a reduced stop.
There's a positive order block there that was just going to hold it up. And that boy did it. Jeez, it bounced off of it.
Oh, man.
Mapster is sitting on their hands right now. Mapster's roadmap is not completely loaded.
I'm gonna try this again.
It's looking good for upside.
Yeah, we'll see. It could
I
get
want a
heavy.
little bit
I
lower.
ultimately like upside. But I think it's going to mess around here a little bit.
It could.
I'm trying to help you out, Wes. If I say that, it should skyrocket. That's what I'm trying to help you out.
Oh, you're trying to. Okay, I got you. I'll take a. We'll risk. a little
Oh,
over
damn
2
you,
points.
Quantower. I tried
What
to
is with
buy an
Quantower?
order and it wanted confirmation. I've missed my entry.
You still got it. It's still messing around here.
I wanted 40.
That makes sense.
I don't
Points
know.
matter.
We'll see.
So this is quite the juxtaposition here. I can't even say it. Wes is slinging. I'm sitting on my hands. This doesn't make sense. This is a crazy world. It's Freaky Friday.
Opposite days.
Freaky Friday.
We shall see. Kind of just
I'd like
chilling.
for YM to continue to sell. But we're just climbing back.
I don't
into
like
the
YM pinned in the
That's
middle of the range
struggling
like
here.
that. Yeah.
What I hate is that we had like a week and a half of great volatility, and then it seems like this week it's just slowed up so much. I don't know.
Well,
how you guys
that
feel,
news
but that's
candle
been my
messed
read.
me up.
Like
No,
the
we had a great
momentum
week.
trades and the continuations have been really hard to actually take advantage of. Whereas last week it was
That
like,
NFP candle really messed
you
me
just
up
hopped in and
because
made
it took
money.
out. Wow.
Starting to feel like Squeeze Friday, boys.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, it is. I'm not. I almost got in. I'm not doing that. That's way too. I'm not doing this.
Something
I'm
like
not doing this
this.
up here.
Dave, what do you mean you're not doing this?
Just not doing it. I'm not, man. This is where I
That's strange.
always lose my green day. I'm not losing green days. Not doing it, man. And then I gotta fight back. 1,200
that was
down.
a
I'm like,
full
gotta
stop,
fight
and
back.
that was like 90.
Tape
Exciting
reading
stuff,
vibes.
boys.
Yeah, the YM is you have to hold for
Look at
hours.
it. Look at it. Well, but look at that. That's a nasty wick, 15-minute wick up. Now that NFP candle, that news candle messed up. I took out Asia highs and lows, London highs and lows. I mean, so now for me, I'm like, I have no direction because it took
Jesus.
both of them out in one candle.
This thing is
See, this
struggling.
sad. I'm so glad I didn't get in. So glad.
Dave over here trying to justify him not being in a trade. He's a different man these days, boys. He's a different man these days.
I mean, good to hear.
Normally he's got about 6 in
Right.
by now.
Both way. By the way, both long and short too.
yeah. On this 1 5-minute candle.
And I could just use the Russell Crowe line from Glider. Are you not entertained?
No, I like the squeeze action. I do like the squeeze action. Like it's definitely.
I'm wanting a little bit lower here. I want
How?
just
What are you
a
looking
push
at?
down. Well, I agree with the squeeze, but this feels too slow. I think a lot of people are jumping on
would
here.
like
I think one more push down would be very
Yeah,
nice.
I like the manipulation down. I absolutely like the manipulation.
Yes, manipulation. Manipulation.
There you go. See, that's the word you're looking
Why
for.
are we-
basically.
Yeah,
I'll help you
yeah.
out.
Oh,
Just tip of my tongue.
man.
Stick with me and Fletcher. We'll get you on the ICT band.
Manipulation down to 18K, Albu says. I don't know, man.
It looks squeezy. I agree with you. It's just, where do you get in?
See, this
You're
is what
already in, so.
Mason knows this because he and I have traded together for a long time on calls and whatnot. But these are the spots where I get wrecked because I do try to short it, right? Like I'm thinking, oh yeah, we're near all-time highs. I'm going to try to short this thing. And what happens to me? I sit in the trade for 2 hours. And next thing I know, I'm down $2,000 on the trade.
Yeah. Very valid. Look at it bounce off an overnight high there.
Yeah, I'd like for it to get one aggressive little sweep there of the second 5-minute candle here. And then I will, I'll probably, I should have probably just punched it there. That's probably all we get.
Now, YM looks a little like I might want to long it at some point here.
No, I'm getting
Your losses come way quicker. I wish my losses came way quicker. It's like a slow, painful death that the NQ delivers sometimes.
You can't really long anywhere above 940 here. So even if you give it like a full width 20-point stop, 920 is well within the realms of possibility for a spike down.
Well, Mason, what do you call this? 10-point pullback? Or
10-point pullback? 10-minute pullback, that's it, yeah.
10-minute
pullback, yeah.
I think that was our entry.
Sense.
All right, I'm trying it. I know this is not smart, but
oh my God, we have
3 trades in 25 minutes.
It's not how you want to start.
We have absolutely
smart.
We have absolutely changed.
Have you
It is
taken a
Freaking
trade
Friday.
yet, Dev?
No, I haven't. I mean, that's the
Oh
thing.
my God.
I just don't want to get left
Good
behind.
patience.
I'll take the L if I get the L, but I just don't want to get left behind on the squeeze if it happens.
I mean, I'm up $204, but so it's not like a huge amount.
We got news in 13 minutes.
Oh, that's
But
right, Michigan
still,
sentiment. I got to get out of this thing.
Yeah.
Let me know because this is on My Fund of Futures and they don't let you trade news.
You'll see on the dashboard if it's tier 1. It is tier 1. You'll have until 58 minutes past. Or 2 minutes to.
I was like 58. You went the long route with that one.
Yeah,
58
yeah.
minutes past.
58 minutes past.
Wow.
That was extremely English.
Yeah.
That was extremely. Oh my God.
58 minutes past, he says. Come on, give me a 100.5 minute candle here. I like the push above 22K. I don't know if we hold 22K, but I do like it at some point here. It could just be on news, the quick wick. But I'm not going to be able to hold through that. So let's see if we can get a little higher here on this push. And then I'll go break even. And then I'll watch the clock if it never wants to come back. There we go. All right. Break even.
I have a feeling about what's coming here.
Oh,
What's that?
yeah, the little dip and go.
Yep.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like, all right, I'm out.
Oh, for sure. You already know that's what's going to happen to me.
Yeah. Speaking of extremely English, I was at Detroit Airport one time. I was flying Virgin Atlantic for some reason to go to the UK, London, and which, by the way, back in the day, I mean,
There it
Virgin
is.
Atlantic was like flying on was like spring break, especially with the bar up in business class. I mean, literally a freestanding bar in business class. You just go out. It was with a bar.
Oh, you were flying business, were you?
Light flex.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Jesus. Don't mind me,
Yeah,
back in economy.
I've flown too much to not do that.
Well, Mason, it did exactly
but-
what you called for.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And I mean, this close to the top of the hour, I mean, if it does, it wakes up in there. See, look at that.
Dave, that was a
It's just gonna
5-point
chop.
smack.
Outrageous.
chop.
Look at that. Points. What do they take us for?
It was a 5-point little dip.
It's gonna chop. It's gonna manipulate down to about
Oh, geez.
9:10, 9:05, and then it will shoot up on the news. I'll bet you a beer on it. I'll do a parlay. I'll do a palm parlay.
Chat, how are you guys
Wow.
with trading slow grind squeeze days? Like, are you good with finding entries? I have the hardest time finding entries on those kind of days. Like right now, how we're hanging out above overnight highs. I can't trade it. I literally can't trade. Like if we hang out above overnight highs,
Jesus Christ.
all session, I'm not going to be doing very well. I can tell you that right now because it just will not give me a good entry.
Boy, Martin. Sanders. Come on, man.
Yes, was
I do feel that
beautiful
way, though.
with
I
them.
feel that way, too. Yeah, so I'm at the airport, and I don't know, it's Detroit, so there's weather or something happening. And this Brit, the customer service was trying to help him. He was trying to get him on another flight, but like the flight was at the gate. They were just going to close the gate. He needed to run to get there. And she goes, "You need to run right now." And he just kind of shuffles. And she goes, "Well, that's a British guy running." I was like, "Oh my God."
Yeah,
Yeah, we actually don't know how to run. If you've ever seen the British Olympic team, they kind of just shuffle.
But you do know how to queue. I will say that.
Yep, we've got that.
I was-
Swimming, I
was
think
in
we can do
Heathrow
swimming.
once. You can do swimming, absolutely.
If I check the Russell right now, and it looks like a solid setup, I'm gonna lose my mind.
Albu, I have the 2-minute right here.
Don't
but
do it. Don't do it, Palm. It'll
I
just
don't-
tilt you.
I don't trust the lower time frames.
Everything but YM is going today. The Russell's kind of sus as well. It's actually like the same exact thing.
Hey,
as
this
YM.
is here's the uppies on the YM. I thought would happen.
Go into seconds. Thanks, Chris. Appreciate you. Yeah, 100 live streams. Big deal. Big deal.
That was awesome, dude. I'm telling you.
It is. It really is. It is a big deal.
We've had some great moments over 100 live streams.
Yep, we have about half as many live streams as we have subscribers. So, so yeah.
Progress, in the name of progress, gentlemen.
Oh my gosh. But while we're waiting on news, so in honor of Anon, I know he said he's got an interview for a promotion today or something. I have an interview story way back when I was earlier in my career. It's actually for a publicly held company. Well, we're going to go public with the IPO. In fact, when we did, it was the most successful IPO on NASDAQ at that time. Now, this is 94, 95. But anyway, it was a consumer products company. We sold to Walmart, all the big box guys and all that. And we did fans, heaters, humidifiers. And I got recruited there, got a phone call out of the blue. And so I went to interview. I was interviewing with the VP, who would be my boss, and a director. And this was for being a purchasing. I was going to lead the purchasing group. Anyway, the interview was just dragging on, and they're asking me all kinds of questions. And finally, the guy asked the typical question: "Hey, what was your biggest mistake?" Blah blah blah. All of that. And so I gave it, so it was a bullshit interview. question. And I gave him a total bullshit answer. And he goes, well, that was a typical bullshit interview answer. And I said, and it didn't miss a beat. And I was like, well, that's because you asked a typical bullshit interview question. And the guy was just started cracking up, and the VP was getting pissed. I mean, he's turning red. I'm like, well, I blew this interview, so screw that. I'll just go in deeper. And I go, look, you're asking me like I'm going to give you the meaning of life. That just isn't going to happen. However, if you want to ask me how I'm going to do this, this, and this, I'll tell you, and blah, blah, blah. So with that, interview stopped. Done. I go outside. I can see through the window. They're talking with the head of HR, blah. And like, well, I have a job, so I don't care. It was what it was. This would have been nice, but it would have been a nice step up, but forget it. Anyway, they come back in. Then the HR comes back in and says, well, you know, we liked you. And I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe I actually got past that. She goes, but, you know, we'll get you some stuff, and here's the benefits and this and that. She goes, but our first offer will be our best offer. And I thought, well, I haven't screwed this interview up enough. So I went, well, my first no will be my best no. And she's looking like,
It's just
are you
double
nuts?
down.
Yeah,
Playing hard together.
He is doubling down.
She's like, what is wrong with you? I'm like, well, and then so, I mean, and then she goes, well, we'll give you the offer. We'll phone you up. I said, no, I got to have that in writing. You better FedEx it to me. I was like making all these demands. And she just like, what the hell? I literally barely got home and the phone rang, and they're like, yeah, here's what we want. I said, I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. Well, long story short, the guy, the guy that was the director guy, he told the VP, he goes, look, if he's going to talk to you that way, just imagine how he's going to talk to the vendor base. So that's how I got the job. Would not recommend that at all.
Yeah, that was aggressive.
I don't think that'd work for everyone.
Andrew, you're right. I guess I should have put a hat, a ball cap, and glasses on. I am the only one without it on right now.
YM.
I'll look at the YM. God, I should have taken that trade. I'm waiting for news. Waiting for news.
I was
No,
long
you shouldn't have. We've
44,
got
900.
news.
Oh, see, here it goes. Here it comes down to here comes the NQ down to what I said, 910. Okay.
ES was just horrific.
And flush.
Yeah.
I didn't say it would stop.
Oh, sorry, Fletcher. I meant to. I saw that and then didn't want to interrupt Dave. What do you mean you didn't get it? Did you order it and it just never came? Because if that's the case, I don't think you're getting one, dude. It probably got like lost in the mail or something.
Oh, you talking about a TBM
Oh,
hoodie?
Yeah, the NASDAQ cowboy hoodie.
Huh.
It's my trading hoodie. It's what I wear in the mornings. Fletcher said something about it. Alright, YM's ripping. Good thing I closed my long. That would have been terrible. Making money. Imagine.
You've heard
Oh, I
lots
wish
of
I'd taken that
things.
one, Drews.
I mean, have you popped onto stream and talked to Matt about it?
Yeah, what do you mean? You just DM him. Be like, yo, I never got my hoodie.
Yeah,
I mean,
DM it.
I mean, he should make it right.
Yeah. Oh, he'll make it
it
right.
might be
if he
too
can.
late
I
because
think.
I don't, unless he's like keeping backstock or keeping extras or something. I don't know if he'll have extras.
Yeah, but
Maybe
he'll,
he'll send you his personal one.
he'll
Or
at
at
least
least get a refund.
send you his personal one.
Did he
Won't
refund
even
you?
wash it. He won't even wash it.
Yep, authentic.
Dude, that sucks. I'm sorry.
Oh, Sanders, that sucks, man.
I would have been
That
pissed
sucks.
if this
That's
got
the-
lost in the mail. I wonder if the YM's gonna rip to like yesterday's opening range because that's kind of where my target was.
He said he was teaching you extreme patience. What?
Okay, I
A
mean,
minute to
it sounds like
news
he
here.
talked to him, so I don't know. There's between you guys at this point.
Yeah.
YM broke the overnight high.
It did.
NQ's back at Payline. Testing it.
Actually, I wish I'd done that. I am long.
Okay, news predictions, gentlemen. We've got about 30 seconds here. What's happening? NQ, this is.
Yeah,
NQ.
I feel that, Sanders.
NQ will wreck your account on news.
That's the prediction.
Real fortune teller
As
here.
it always does.
I'm gonna say we pump on news.
I'm gonna say we do nothing.
A whole lot of nothing.
Yeah, maybe like 40-point range.
What, back into 850?
Oh,
Oh my god. Well, Quantower's froze. That's a bad sign.
well. and
Whoa,
so
whoa,
did the
whoa,
top
whoa,
10
whoa!
max.
Maybe
Oh
Albu's
my God.
maybe Albu's
Oh,
17K is correct here.
Charts were
Told
flying.
you it was going to wreck your
Yeah.
account.
Jeez.
Oh, so did YM. Everything went down. Jeez, on Michigan sentiment? Really?
Michigan sentiment's usually pretty wild.
I think that's just an excuse for the market makers, who, by the way, did not inform me of this like they usually do.
Oh, tragic.
I like 760 for a long. If we can get there.
I don't know if you get it. What's ES doing? Same thing. They're all acting. Wow, they're all acting in the same manner right now. That's not good.
What does it mean, Dave?
It's
Is it manipulation?
totally suspect. It's totally it's suspect. They're all moving. If all the indices are moving in the same way, that's suspect.
What is Enigma saying?
An old.
Let's see.
It's true.
I mean, technically on NQ, as long as we hold above, I'll say 560. Yeah, 560. I still think buyers are in control. Anything below 560, I think could get really, really heavy. But that's still a ways away. That's 300 points away.
YM's literally just back into opening range. Product sucks. Throwing it away.
I mean,
I have an entry in mind here at 730.
I mean, if they're all moving the same direction, it's going to be chopped for me at some point.
Oh my god, yes, with the trade of
I say that
century.
it keeps melting. A 15-minute order block on the YM is strong, though. It wicked down below it, but didn't is bouncing off it again for the third time. Me and losers. Hell no, Nims.
Oh, there he is. Is he back? All right,
Yeah.
Nims is coming in. This could get really,
Really loud.
Yeah, we got 5 people in here right now. This could be horrible for the audio.
Anyone else coming in?
One of them
Anna-
losers.
Anna
Nimkins
might
or
join
not?
us.
Alright.
Yeah, just get the whole game.
Alright,
in.
Mason, get out.
No, I was filling in, but I'm staying though.
Give it a hot.
Is there only one Brit allowed?
Yeah.
Crazy.
I'm more British than you.
That's alright, go and make some tea for us.
Oh,
Damn, that's like disrespectful, no?
bit sugar with that little bitch. God damn.
What? I guess that's non-farm payrolls.
Yeah. Well, and Michigan
You
sentiment.
guessed correctly. I think.
Guessed correctly.
Or Michigan sentiment. I don't know what that was, honestly.
Probably should get out my trade. It hasn't taken me out.
I probably should have kept my sell stop on. I would be in profit
Oh
right now.
my gosh! Look at this.
I'm
mean,
going
NQ
long
looks,
at 730.
Bruh.
Kevin said he was going to go long. Where did he say he was going to go long at?
Didn't he say like 890 or something like that? Didn't he say 880?
I'm
Yeah.
looking for it now.
Oh,
He's
God.
probably there was probably a resting order mini somewhere and the account's gone.
Well, I can tell you I was correct on my 910 call. I'm just going to say that.
Oh my god.
It did hit it.
Trade of the day. Oh my god. Right into overnight lows.
Well, here comes yesterday's lows.
I have fumbled once again,
All
gentlemen.
right, Mason, I'm with you here, I think.
No, it missed me. Don't you dare.
Dude, don't go long yet.
Please.
Oh, I think you're good to go long.
No, this was my pre-market.
Yeah.
This was
Well,
where the
depends on
long
how
was,
much heat you wanna
730.
take. I wouldn't do it yet.
Wait, how much did it miss you by? Oh, up to 2.25.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, that's not painful, is it?
No, no, it's quite enjoyable actually.
Ah, okay. Alright.
Making sure.
If he'd left, I reckon it would have filled you.
Probably.
Jesus.
He's
Nah,
taking my
didn't-
seat.
He's taking your seat.
You showed up on time.
I'll scoot you.
You were AWOL for the first half of the stream.
Yeah, I mean, I literally told Wes, hey, Friday, got this on. And
I
he
shouldn't have let you
just
in.
didn't listen. Didn't listen at
Oh,
all.
Fletcher, you didn't take it? Fletcher, you sat there and called it. Although I can't talk. I do that all the time.
Yeah, easy to be an analyst.
Yeah. I do
Yeah.
that all the time.
Okay, I'm gonna take another 5-month break from trading. I think. It's been nice knowing you all.
Same.
Oh, screw you, Nasdaq.
Yep, that's what the NAS does. Mason, welcome back.
That's what it does.
Yeah, welcome back
Yeah.
indeed.
Could I introduce you to the YM?
No,
Dude,
no, you
I've
can't.
not been having a good time.
Nice, Chris. 3 for 3. Oh, there's
I think
my
it's
full
just 'cause I
target.
suck at trading, but been not fun
Wait,
on the YM.
What, the YM? Did you try the
Yeah.
YM again?
I'm on the MYM, yeah. I think I just suck at trading though, because not fun.
Wait, Mason, is your order still? Was your order sitting at 3:30 or 7:30?
Yeah, it was.
So it missed you by 2 points and then ran.
Yeah.
Oh,
It was a limit order. It was just sat there, and
Oh, no.
it's now at target.
Oh no. Oh no.
I mean,
no.
you probably could have removed
It happens.
it and let it keep going.
Yeah, it happens.
Don't worry, I was like that yesterday when I went back to look at the screen later in the evening. The thing that I was chatting to Wes while I was in the trade, and I was like, oh, please don't let me have high of the day, and this thing keeps running down to the bottom. So I just opened the charts, I was like, oh, for fuck's sake.
Hannon had a 2 mini short, it looks like, from 940 down to 815.
See you, Sanders.
Oh my gosh.
Hell yes.
It's the man.
What's going on? Sounder says buy all. Did he get a good trade?
No, he got bent
no.
over.
He
Oh
got
no.
pummeled.
Yeah, when there's the buy all, it means I'm going, I will never see you again, and then he'll be back in a week.
No, he took like a month off, 2 months
Yeah,
off.
he did.
Yeah. Fuck this. Now back to trade, not trading at all, for good. There you go.
That's what he said.
Yes, yes.
Sorry, I can't navigate through Discord right now.
Okay.
Oh shoot. Sanders.
Well, Scott, if you're still here, we know it's Kevin's fault. Okay,
This
the
thing's going
Discord
all
does not look like people are having a good time.
Getting
No,
wrecked.
no, it doesn't.
That's
Dude,
brutal.
I've
Yeah.
been getting.
Have you seen Andrew's meme
2
with the
days.
Grim Reaper with blood on each door, going first XFA, second XFA, third XFA, and knocking on the fourth
my
XFA
God.
door?
Nima,
Take it
I've
from
been getting absolutely wrecked the last 2 days. And then going on today, going on 3 days.
What?
It's just not getting the overnight
He's
highs.
just like, I don't give a shit.
No, I do. I was gonna suggest. I mean, I don't know. Do you want a suggestion?
I mean, if you got him, send him. But I think I know the suggestion.
What?
I suck.
Nah. Just
I don't believe that.
just
don't believe
draw
that.
some random boxes on. And like,
Honestly,
yeah,
I-
just anywhere at any price. Just
Pretty
random
much,
boxes,
pretty much.
Hey, man,
yeah.
everything works.
Where's we drew our boxes on like 4 months ago, and they like
Yeah.
on the YM.
It's very true. Very true.
This is going further down. NQ is going further down. It's not. This is not.
Probably.
Oh mate, thank you, Dave, because YM's just ripping. Nice.
I don't think it is. I think we're going back up to like 840.
I don't
I think that was a weak news. That was an initial reaction. I think we're going back up.
It could, yeah. I mean, we could get a retrace.
Is anyone who's taken trades so far?
I
Dave?
I have.
150.
I haven't. I haven't. Believe it or not, I
What?
haven't.
All right, someone
Yep.
check on Dave.
I'm looking. I'm looking though.
He's looking a bit red.
Maybe it should have been you
I'm
going to this
looking.
checkup rather than me.
How did that not stop me
I
out,
think
guys?
you might be right.
That was strange. Did anybody else see that on the stream? Price went through my stop and like had me still in a loss.
I just took a short there.
Oh, you got slipped.
Yeah, I definitely got
I
slipped.
should have stayed in it.
Check
I
the
took a
P&L. It
short
might just be
and,
visual.
I shorted at 772.
It was a
And I'm out
$300
at
loss.
53. And I think we go further down. Should have held on to it.
Yeah, Fletcher,
But
that
with
was
this chop, I didn't want to.
that was weird. That was very, very strange.
Well, that was my first trade of the session.
You suck.
GG.
Yeah,
You suck. I mean, what are you doing, Dave?
I literally just took a nice 15-point trade right there and got out. Probably should have
You
held
stuck-
it, but I'm okay.
You
with
stuck in a dust bowl for the first hour?
it. I was. This has got PD. This has got previous day low written all over it.
Where is
Obviously, it's not
previous
that
day
far
low?
away.
PDL, as they say.
PDL 706.
706.
Well, let's see. Dave has gone from I like down to 910, bounce back up for the grind to all-time highs.
Hey,
If
it's
the NQ
important
is
to be
taught me one
adaptive.
thing, it's you gotta be nimble. You have to be nimble.
Every 10 seconds.
Every 10 seconds.
Right.
Yeah. There's a fine line between nimble and schizophrenic.
Oh, Albu, yeah, I already know Annan's. I already know Annan. I saw what he was planning on doing last night.
All right, I took another quick short there too, and I am done. That was
Nice,
12
Dave. Nice.
Nice. Good job.
It's about 27 points.
Yeah,
Nice. Ooh.
12 and 15.
Yeah, it's quick and easy.
And I mean, I gotta hold these things, but man, as whippy as it gets, I don't like. What tilts me is being in the money and it coming whipping me out almost to the tick to my break even because I'm so quick at moving that stop, and I'd rather just take points and move on.
Fair.
Even though I could left a whole bunch on the table, because I get so tilted otherwise. Okay, there's previous day. See what it-
That's fair.
This is heavy.
Oh, Palm, it's so bad.
This
I mean,
is
it's
heavy.
like it's a character flaw or something. Ugh.
Yeah, Tanner. Like, it's hard to, You know what, Mason? I think I'm going to try...
I'm waiting.
I just missed it.
Honestly, this on the NQ, according to the Mapster system,
Might give this a go.
21,588 could be in the cards. Just saying, another 100 points.
Give me 680.
Anon's still holding on his personal. Jesus Christ, he's doing some damage.
Yeah. You know he's short right now.
Yeah, you know he's got
Oh,
size
yeah, he's
on.
totally short. See, this is where I would have got wicked out and all kinds of. I think, I don't know, man. 21,588 could be in the
Alright.
cards here.
I feel
gonna-
Anon's on for like a 60, 70k day.
He could be. You should have
If
seen the
he's-
size.
he's-
You should have
I mean,
seen
it
the
was
size he
single
had on
size.
last night.
What did he have on last night?
Oh my god.
I talked him out of it because he was going to go to bed with the resting orders on. But
What,
Don't do
20?
that.
plus 80.
100?
Mm-hmm.
Why is he such a
100 micros.
Yeah, he was stacked
minis?
20 blocks all the way from
Sure.
like 916 to 960.
Yeah, I remember he ladders them.
He's an absolute psycho.
Can you imagine?
how he does it.
I don't know how he
You
does it
gotta
either.
be-
That would be a heart attack.
Yeah.
All right, break even. Stop at 705.
Mr. Fox, you're shadow banned? What do you mean you're shadow banned?
Shadowbound from what? What'd you do?
God, this thing is moving.
Don't make you come in there.
Napster says another 100 points down because we didn't take out some sell side liquidity yet. We still got some money down.
Fletcher says he's a supportive girlfriend. What? I don't
Yeah.
understand.
So good.
Go on, run. Run for me.
Don't be fooled by this.
Oh, you got
Where are
in?
you long from?
Yeah, I was in 704.
We'll break even.
You almost got it.
Yeah, just a quick push, quick push. my stop up though.
I like 752 as a target.
All right, how bad was this news? Let's have a look.
Break even.
Oh, not good.
Break even.
Okay.
Stop.
I'm looking
Okay,
for
wait, what was it?
780.
Yeah, that's not good at all. The news.
Can you read it? I don't have financials just open.
I need to
One
look up
one
that.
year in inflation, they forecasted 3.3. Michigan said 4.3.
Right, I'm out.
Well,
As
there you
in
have
the
it.
So Michigan thinks it's going to be much higher.
4.3.
Yeah. So like, I mean, there's no getting interest rates down if Michigan's
Okay,
saying it's
gotcha.
1% over what they're
Gotcha.
expecting.
Traders now betting on just one Fed rate cut this year. Well, yeah.
Wow, that would have been such a banger trade. Oh my god. Wow.
Mason,
More
what'd you
fair in the
get
market.
on that? I know you were in one.
I think about $100.
Okay.
Once it got above 730, I just said if it turns red again.
Oh, you
we're
on
probably going
micros?
down. No,
Or
mini.
Okay.
Yeah.
Telling you.
Yeah, let's
I
slide
haven't
back
put my
about
money where my mouth
$400
is
on me.
yet.
Classic NQ things.
Good kill though. I'm back at my entry now.
I'm telling you. We got another 100 points to go down.
Everybody get long.
I'm-
Everybody get
I'll
long.
re-enter, actually.
I am so tempted to get short right now.
Everybody get long.
All right,
As
you know
much
what?
as I want
Just
to take that long, macro
I'm
news
going
being
short.
bad. I'm so
That's it. Short. Pound sand. Eat shit and bark at the moon, you guys. I'm going short.
All right.
All right,
And there
come on,
goes
Wyatt. Let's go up.
I just put a
Yeah.
micro on though. I didn't do a mini.
eat shit and bark at the moon. He says.
That's a good one. That's a good one, Tom. For anybody who gives you trouble, you just say, just give them that one. Yep, I just got taken out on my micro.
Yep. Anybody take that Dave indicator trade there? Good for an immediate 30 points.
Trying to help you. Man, my goal is to help people out.
And
I mean-
counting and counting.
Yeah.
Even more.
35,
Yeah,
40.
35, yeah.
So good. It's so good.
How
Oh, I didn't
how
realize
does
it
that
was
even
15
happen?
minutes channel.
I like another 100 points down. Immediate 40-point bounce.
It's going to continue down, folks. It's just a nice little bit of it. It's going to go up to. It's going to wick
Alright.
test on the 15-minute up at.
All right, everyone, move
790.
your take profit a bit higher.
You know, any edge is an edge. Remember that.
Yeah,
Right,
he did it
right?
with me on the
Right,
YM.
thank you.
He said all my indicators are saying down, and the thing just started rifling up.
Oh, so good. Oh, here it comes.
Still like down,
Oh, my
Dave?
goodness. Ultimately, I do. Yeah, I don't know how it's going to get there, but I still like down.
Still like down? Okay.
So if you want to go full court long, I'm just saying.
Enter in long.
Oh my God, you did go long. I
Savage.
can't believe you did that.
Savage.
You know what? That's it. One of these streams, we're gonna do an opposite of whatever I say, and let's see who makes out. Is you're making out right now.
We do need
We
to
got-
keep track of this, I think.
Yeah. Is this going to be like our fade Kramer fund?
Yeah, dude. If I had taken the Dave indicator on the ES, I would
Oh,
be up
that's-
10 points right now.
I got stopped. I should have held it.
Yeah, you look
You
good
should have.
on
Look
there.
at it go. I think we get close to 790 and we come back down.
I'm getting mixed
Okay,
signals from
everybody
that.
get
I'm not
short.
interpreting.
Everybody get short right now.
Reverse.
See? It's not going to eat up this whole candle. Not on Friday. Not if we've gone. up
Palm, how
every
you
day
doing
this
over there? You got quite the serious look on your face currently.
I'm just processing the last 3 days.
Oh,
pondering
okay.
this.
Oh,
Oh no,
week. Ouch.
Pain City.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just been the last. I had like a
Oh.
great 7-day run, and then it feels like the last 2 days, the last 3 days, I just like forgot how to trade.
So this market
the
can just
usual.
make you question your life choices, man. Really
Yeah,
can.
the usual.
my tip is put less effort in.
Actually, I like that, Nims, because there for a while I was just grinding and every day get here, sit at the screens for hours, and I've backed off now of sitting at the screens. And after noon, I'm done. At noon hits, I won't even look at the charts until like the evening. But that might be a little bit to it because I was just kind of getting, I don't know what it was, fatigued or something.
Yeah, it
I mean,
burns you out after a while.
I'm saying
Yeah.
no indicators. Draw a few lines in a few places. Just work on those.
Yeah, but I'm also saying
Yeah, just throw some
too
random
much screen
boxes
time
up.
can.
I'm
Too much
not.
screen
I'm
time
not.
can
I'm
be
not
an
actually
issue.
joking. I'm not joking. Me and Wes were chatting about it yesterday. It's
Oh
just
yeah,
like-
I'm all down for simplification, but like my setup, what I'm using is I think as simple as I can get. Unless I
Nah,
start
you can make it more simple. You can make it more simple.
explain.
Yeah, I think you're just trying your trade ideas are probably just bouncing around. You got too many strategy things going on in your head right now instead of focusing on just one maybe.
I mean, no, I've been trading the same way I think that I had been trading, the last 7-8 days, whatever, that I had a great run. It just hasn't the conditions changed. It just hasn't been working. Like my trades trying to take price away from the opening range, I'll just get consistently bent on the lot. That's why I switched to YM, because NQ was just not working. Every single trade I took trying
Yeah.
to take it away from the opening range, we just smacked right back through.
Yeah, I get
Uh,
that.
I came up with a strategy called break and retest.
Yeah.
yeah.
You
I'm
blame
aware.
that one
Selling a
now.
course.
Yeah.
I'm aware. I'm aware. Oh, that's so good.
He came up with
I'm
a
aware.
strategy called break and retest, he says.
Yeah.
Looks like Mapster prediction of Ticken going up to the 792 address off ramp, and then
Guys,
making a
I
return.
am
Looking
slinging Dave style today. I decided to have fun. It's the 100th live stream. Let's see if I can get 20 trades in this stream.
Great
through.
run.
Every time I say something, it goes opposite.
Yes.
Make it 100.
Look at Fletcher. Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
Man, really gotta start holding my trades a little bit better.
Yep.
Here comes the call out.
What's
That'd be your
I'm
my?
gonna
profit
show
zone,
Does anyone want to know my trade time currently?
Fletcher. So
14 hours.
No, a little bit longer. We're at almost 16 and a half.
Oh my goodness.
Jesus.
I am currently down, so
Oh, Fletcher, you had to dig out again?
Dude, I know that movie. I've seen it a bunch. I've done it a bunch.
I've been there a
That's
lot
because
recently.
I'm not patient. Because I'm not patient. I'm exercising patience today. Which is an odd juxtaposition, like I said.
I feel I'm being patient.
Yeah,
I'd
what,
say so. If you're in there,
sitting in the one
a
YM
day.
trade that you got in at the.
It's an investment at this point.
I need to see some money. The problem was I would have had like decent money, but then fucking non-farm payrolls, which I completely forgot about.
Are you in the hole right now on your trade?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm down like $250. I mean, it's
That's
not
not
really
bad.
the whole, is it? No.
That's not bad.
I was down like 500 at one point, but I was like comfortable with it still.
Yeah, I'm basically at max loss on the day, so I'm not taking any other trades.
Oh,
We're basically at max loss, which means you're not quite there. Which feels means
Oh,
you
Yeah,
have
I
another
have
trade.
$30 of wiggle room.
oh, don't. No,
Mate,
don't
that's
do it,
enough.
man. If
You
you're not
can
seeing it,
climb
you're
out
not
of
seeing it.
That's
Go on a
enough.
practice account.
Nah.
You know, if you're not seeing it, you're not seeing it.
Yeah, that's very true.
Yeah, see, inverted fair value gap. You bet. Get your ass, Fletcher. Those things are gold.
What is this?
I'm one stop away from trading
What
ICT.
are we talking about here?
IVFG.
Oh my god, if I get can you guys hear that? The Windows update thing?
I can't hear it.
Okay, good. Because
It's Windows telling you you're not allowed to trade anymore.
It keeps giving me the update reminder, but it's like one
see you,
every 10
Christopher.
seconds.
No, Fletcher's right. I mean, those inverted fair value gaps, those are money. On what time frame, Fletcher? Because I'm not seeing one on the 5 minute. Must be a shorter time frame.
Oh god, I'm gonna be in this thing all day, aren't I? YM.
1 minute, yep, makes sense. Total sense. I've tried the 1 minute, man. I miss out on a lot of trades like that, Fletcher, because the 1 minute just gives me vertigo. I can't do it.
It gives you vertigo.
My mind just can't keep up with it. Yeah, bam, right there.
Oh, I'm so dumb. I didn't even look what that was.
Let's go, YM.
Those things are gold, but you get the one shot at it, don't you, Fletcher? Then after that, you got to catch it when it's there.
On the 1 minute chart, inverted fair value gaps. What's this?
I know. I know. Oh man.
And look at this 1 minute chart and see where he got.
They're always there, just gotta find them. We trading or playing Pokemon?
Oh.
Pokemon.
Get him.
Holy
Whoops.
cow! That 1 minute, it was gold. It took out a point of interest, and then that was gold, Fletcher. Holy cow! Now it did an IRL.
Oh
no.
jeez.
No.
What are we
Make
talking
it stop.
about
Make
here?
it stop. Make it stop.
Oh, here
Oh
comes the
my
790. Wow.
goodness.
Thing was gold. Sugar.
How are were you applying for internships, Mason? Is that it?
Oh.
Yeah, I was.
Ew.
Internships placements.
Wait, I was just asking if it was how it went, if it was good. Or you got one?
So one got back to me. I
Okay.
went through interviews, assessments, did great on the assessments. Not so great on the interview, I don't think.
Okay.
Fletcher.
And they got back to me
You
this
see
morning
Flet-
anyway.
Fletcher's in the
See
holding
Fletcher's in
cell.
the holding cell.
Jeez, so we got a bombardment for the 100th
he's
live
g-
stream here.
He's gonna let you know better than I will how this.
Tell him he can come in if he said. Oh, you've already let him in.
He's in.
Yeah, Fletcher. Yeah, you can stay if you say inverted fair value gaps aren't a real thing.
Leaves
I'm not
immediately.
saying that.
I'm not saying that. The dude just made 40 points all of it.
Pretty much.
Okay. That's 40 points more than the person who made them up can make.
That is true.
That is
argue
honestly
that.
probably I would say Probably a true statement. Probably a true statement. But hey, the teacher doesn't have to be good if the students are.
I can't get over the I'm him. That is so insane.
I'm him. I'm him. Okay, here it comes. See, it
Oh,
got close to the
wow.
target. What did I say? 790. I said 790. Got close. Now we're heading back down, and it's 100 points down now.
Well,
I gonna get
I said we
wrecked.
could hold 740
All
though,
right.
because this is retesting that 1 minute.
Yeah, I'm long.
Inverted.
I'm
Oh.
immediately
Yeah,
long.
I like the long. I like the long for sure.
I'm
I
trying.
like the long.
You know,
up to
let's
like
do this.
810.
Let's do this, Wes. Let's track how much money you make off of the inverted calls.
Well, I'm down a lot right now because I've just been slinging. What am I down right now?
It's
Down
crazy how much crisper Dave and Palmetto are on Discord than on YouTube. Like on YouTube, the quality is like Android.
Oh,
Really?
like the mic
Oh,
comes
wow.
through clear here, but when you listen to the stream, it's radio.
No, not even the audio,
Wow.
but like the actual camera quality. Because like on Discord, it's like
Oh yeah,
super clear,
Yeah.
super clear.
yeah, Discord things.
Right, I'm in this one with you, Wes. I'm long as well.
How have you been, man?
This
It's been a hot second since we talked.
I've been I mean, trading wise, I want to say good, but then as soon as I
Nice.
think that, it's kind of hits the what's the word I'm like the 10% or 20% losses kind of all pile up in like a month. It just feels like 1
Yeah.
month instead of like a couple days, but that's still just on the road. Oh, I actually just remembered I had a journal and gooses. I forgot about that. Yeah, I was on the road to pay out. To be
Just
fair,
disappeared one
to
day,
be
and then we'd
fair.
tag you, and you'd show up like 4 days later and be like, "Yo, what did I miss?"
I would say, to be fair, I've kind of just ghosted every Discord. Like, I haven't really been active on any Discord. But yeah, I
Yeah.
definitely forgot about that.
Savage.
You still on
Oh,
the
what kind of
25Ks?
Yeah, but I'm about to lose them. I got one max loss day left, and then it's a wrap.
Well, then just max win a day. Just fade
Oh.
your calls. Just fade. Take the Dave Mapster fade.
I love it.
Damn. Why didn't I think of that?
I'm embracing it.
He said I'm
See? Yeah, I
embracing
didn't
it.
think of that.
Dude, don't lose money, just make money.
No,
Just
I
make
said
money. Trust your stuff.
just make the money, man. Like I understand that like $1,000 losses, but like what if you had $1,000 wins? You know what I mean? Like
The gambler's
So strong.
paradise.
the gambler's paradise.
You're always one trade away.
Exactly.
Ooh,
The trade you
Fox
walk
might be
away
right
on
here
is
in
the
the
trade that
auction.
wins.
Oh, Paul, what kind of parlays you got for the Super Bowl? Anything
I
crazy?
haven't
yet?
made them yet. I
I'll give
actually
you
haven't logged into
$25 for your
DraftKings
picks.
in like a week. No, over a week. So I've been good.
I've got Taylor Swift runs 100 yards or more.
This
With the
guy.
overs on that.
Yeah, dude, I wish I could take like funny prop bets like that. Like, I wish there was
You are-
actually a book that offered ridiculous stuff like ref calls, Taylor Swift appearances.
Well, I'm sure there is. There has to be.
Those are lots.
Isn't there the classic like is it the Gatorade color or whatever it is?
Oh yeah, for the
I-
winners when they pump
There's
the,
some prop.
Yeah.
But I don't. Is that a bet?
There's-
I think I
Yeah,
haven't
yeah,
seen
you can bet. You can bet on the color.
Oh yeah, there's prop.
I've
bets on
always-
every
that. Where?
Huh?
What book?
I'll find it after. I'll find it after the
Just
stream
only
for
give me
you.
the boring ones. Ideally,
I've
I'd
always
love
bet-
I'd love a referee's prop, like over under on flags per quarter.
Well,
No,
I
you
think
gotta
that's-
bet on the
you know that's
national
there.
anthem. Bet on the length
on
of the
what?
national anthem. Under 2 minutes,
Who's
7
singing it?
seconds.
Oh yeah, there's people that will like camp out the day before when they're practicing to hear how long it is. But like, I don't know where to take those bets. Like, what?
Oh,
book
you just
is-
gotta
what
find some-
sketchy ass book is offering that.
No, you don't. You guys gotta find a sketchy ass person.
MGM.
They sir, really?
Plus 225 purple, plus 250 yellow or green, plus 400 orange, plus
Wait,
650
let me see
red
if
or pink.
DraftKings has this then.
Dave, we have another potential inversion from the 1029.
Oh my god.
It's not. It tested it down to the downside, but it's not running. So I think it's about to
I
invert,
see it.
and it's supporting off the original inversion.
All right, come on, YM, a little bit higher.
I see it.
Fletcher,
I see
did
what
you
you're
just
talking
say
about.
that this is an inversion of an inversion?
No,
Yes.
no, it's an
Is that what you're
inversion
saying?
above an inversion.
Double
An
negative.
Right.
inversion
So,
of an
facto-
inversion would be reclaimed, because if it inverts and inverted, then that's a reclaimed Sibi or Visi.
Wow.
If you want
Sibi
to
or-
really get technical in the ICT.
All right, I don't see the
He's
Gatorade
not
bet
wrong.
yet.
I
don't
know
see
my
a
lingo.
Gatorade bet, but I opened trending specials like the bet slip thing. First thing I see is birthday boy Saquon Barkley to score 5 touchdowns, plus 15,000. What? I might have to take that just to do it.
Yeah, it sounds like a winner to me.
The thing
These
that
are
kind of on this
like
1 minute.
they made some wild bets for this. They made a bunch of specials, like passing specials. Interesting.
Will Travis Kelce propose to Taylor Swift after the game plus 750?
That's
I think so.
that's been going on here in Kansas City. They've been talking about that for 2 weeks.
It would be a bit
which
shit if they
tells me
lost.
that this,
mate, this is
wow, the
money.
script is in. If that's the case, the
Wait,
script
this is
in.
money. This is money, Palm. Put this in. Total number of times Swift is shown on the broadcast over 6.5 minus 125. Mate, just take
Dude,
that.
MGM actually has
That's
that.
funny.
Who has it? I'm just looking at these odds.
Well, yeah, but
I
what
would
book
take
are you
that,
on?
I don't gamble.
I just typed
don't
it in.
either.
Sports
just
betting
trade.
times.
I think gambling.
Interesting. Yeah, I don't have any of these fun ones on. What's it called on DraftKings?
Look at Wes making money off this call.
Anyways, I gotta make money trading first before I gamble more. 'Cause-
All right, come on, YM. Come on, YM.
Oh, Wes, you're
bit
like
higher.
3 points lower than me.
Look at Wes. Fletcher called it. Fletcher called it, but I think I don't know.
A little bit higher, YM. A little bit higher.
We get past
Fletcher called
790 on those news lows. We're going all the way.
Yep.
In fact, what's a 50% retracement of that news move? That would feel like a good initial target.
Oh my god, why
Have
didn't
a
it film
look,
me?
yeah.
Why didn't that film me?
What is
It went past it. Why didn't it film me? That
He's
is
losing it.
bullshit. That is absolute bullshit.
Just
Yeah,
close it.
50% is coming up on it. 795 is 50%.
Nah.
Oh my god, my chart's not even loading now. Holy.
Nope, there it did. Just
That-
popped it.
Yeah.
Let me zoom in. Nah, that wicked
How much
past
you up,
me and
Wes?
didn't film me.
Okay.
Nah.
Just
I
popped
don't want
halfway.
this
By
back
the way,
below 60.
794 is yesterday's equilibrium. Fletch will know what I'm talking about.
I'm going for 820 currently. That's the target.
It looks like
Right,
I
Fletcher?
might not actually get to
Did you
get
stay
in though.
equilibrium?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I actually I don't even know if I have that pulled up right now.
This is an interesting point. Above this longs, below it shorts.
What your target here was? Your
Wes
mic's
is-
muted was.
If it can't get above 800, Annan, you want into? Wow, this could turn into pure chaos. Annan, you can go in the stream waiting room.
You're chaos. What
Jeez.
do you mean turn into?
this is
Oh, thank
this-
God everyone doesn't have cameras on.
Turn mine on. Shit, let's break the stream. We'll see Dave's head and his chest in 2 different screens.
I like it. As long as it's got the KC logo, Chiefs logo, I'm
All
good
right,
with
guys.
that.
It's so long as I'm repping Casey.
Annan is in the building.
Ah,
Yeah,
look
man.
who it is. Look who it is.
What's up? What's up, guys?
Hey,
So that's
Alan.
what you sound like.
What, have you not heard Arnold
All right,
before?
I'm out.
No, I haven't, because I'm never in the voice chat.
Ooh,
thing.
I'm
I
out.
went down.
I
Wait a
think
minute,
we
who's
might
this?
go where I said we would go.
Annan, are you still short from the top?
No, I got out
How many minis were you on your personal?
25.
So ridiculous.
25 minis?
Above 50k? Did you make? Must have.
We're not gonna talk about it.
Yeah, it definitely was.
Yeah, calm down, IRS, asking all these questions.
Yeah.
Right.
So
Come on, Nims.
Wes actually talked me out of my trade last night.
Yeah, he doesn't want to see you win. He doesn't want to see you win.
I know, Wes. I need I need the rest of my money, brother.
Yeah.
Dude.
And there's me, a true friend, giving you great YM trades.
Dude, yeah, screw the YM. I got bullied on the YM.
That's how I
you didn't
feel.
get bullied. You just got bled out really slowly.
Sanders has left the Discord.
Yes, he said. Yeah, he said
Oh.
he'll be back. He'll be back.
I have a call with him soon.
Okay, just tell him
He
it's
can't.
test
Well, he can't leave the box cult unless it's in a box. So you know, it's
he got court
unacceptable.
appearance then.
Well, I'm gonna have a talk with him.
Is someone, Annan, are you driving right now? Like, what's going on here?
No, that ain't
It's,
me, brother. I'm
Fletcher.
pushed to talk.
Is it Fletcher?
Yeah, it sounds like
Nah.
Fletcher.
Yeah.
I'm just sitting.
Oh, is that Palmetto?
Yeah, that's Palm.
The noise?
Oh,
How come you two never
what a-
talk?
No,
'cause
we
he never
haven't.
comes in the voice chat. He never comes in the voice chat, to be fair.
Are you saying, am I the noise, or like, am I here?
Yeah.
No, that's
think
definitely
so.
Fletcher.
It's
I was
definitely
just-
Fletcher.
It's Fletch, yeah.
Yeah. Palmetto only socializes with us at work. After work, he doesn't want to know us. He won't ever come to the voice chat.
Bro, I'm like.
Nah,
I'm
it's fine.
working.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Palm's at the office, like trying to be quiet in the voice chat.
I did come in that one time, but I couldn't
Dave-
talk.
Dave,
like,
you're
sitting
definitely
there
muted.
listening to you guys.
Okay. Just making sure you
Yeah, I
Alright,
know,
who's
I've
got the
got some
static?
background
Who's got the
noise, so I'll
static?
just
Kick,
mute,
kick whoever's
so.
got the static
Hey.
out.
It's definitely
It's
Fletcher.
Fletcher, I'm telling you, it's Fletcher.
Yeah, it's definitely Fletcher.
You can't hide. We know it's you.
There he goes. He muted.
Okay. Is that inverted fair value gap static?
Is that...
I like the inverted shorts. Yes.
Yeah, me too. If I can
Yeah.
grab a set, I'll try it again.
Wes, I
from
got bottom
7-6.
ticked on my long now.
Did you?
Bottom tick, yeah, like 58. It came down, touched me, and then went
Yeah,
back up.
welcome to NQ, brother. I just don't know what I like here, boys. I don't know if 740 is the long.
I can help
What
you
if
you want.
if I
think.
DM you something, it doesn't automatically show up on stream, right?
No.
You sending him dick pics?
Look, maybe it's a toe pick.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
God.
No, my DMs don't show up on stream. The only thing the stream
Okay.
can see is their webcams.
10-4. Okay.
10-4.
Forward, good buddy.
Should be. Let me take a look.
Honestly, BJ and the Bear was a totally underrated TV series back in the day, sitcom back in the day. Just saying.
Sheesh. Yeah, that's gotta
Those who
feel
don't
great,
remember.
brother.
Dude,
Yeah,
I
you
wasn't even here for it, man.
I know, that's
it was your
phenomenal.
message.
It's freaking phenomenal. Yeah, I told you. I was like, oh, I saw it happen, and I was like, oh crap, he's in this thing. I was like, oh god, please be looking at your charts. Please be looking at your charts.
Yeah, dude.
Because like I saw it wick up there, and I was like, oh no, that for sure filled some. That for sure filled
Yeah.
some. And then it was back down to 800 before I even knew what happened.
Yeah. I
Here
was sitting here
comes
dealing
the
with this month end bullshit, and it's just like that was nice. That's nice.
Yeah, brother.
Here
Yeah.
comes the dog.
Yeah, that's freaking stellar. Stellar Friday. Wait, Dave, did you just say here comes the dump?
Yep. I'm just trying to give you
I
guys an
am
indicator.
I
Just
am
trying to give you-
long.
Trying to help you.
Okay,
Trying to help you all out. Mark it down. You guys, if you would take profit on some of these trades, you'd be way ahead. You just let them come back and slap you.
We're gonna see how well this works.
Going up. Come on now. Do it for him. Oh my gosh. There it goes.
Jesus. Blaming estrogen in the drinking water for this one.
after my trade? No, I'm just kind of freewheeling today. I'm not trading real serious.
All right, I'll help you out. I went short at 749.
I'm agreeing with the downside on this one. I'm with Dave. Gonna be a loss for the strategy.
It could be. I mean, I even tried to help you out, Wes, by getting into the trade too, not just talking about it. Ooh, this is looking good.
Mate, do the same thing on the way up as what they did on the NQ when he said this is looking good.
I know.
Look at it, just go right back up.
And every time he opens his mouth.
So good. Yeah, someday you'll believe me that I'm part of that marker makers trying to make squeezes here.
Is Kramer like a second or third cousin, Dave?
I
Something
know,
in your
right?
genes.
Dave is a market maker just by himself.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
That's right. See, look at that. It's helping you out. I'm out, by the way. I went break even when it went down, so
This is great. Guys, I should just fade Dave all the time.
seriously.
Like, I should just fade
So here's
Dave
the thing,
all
Wesley.
the time.
Let's- Because I can't
Rude.
do it, but we should split the cost on a combine and on eval, but I can't be the one that trades it. But you trade it, so every time I say something, and then we'll split everything from that going forward when it gets into the XFA.
Yeah,
What do you
here's
say?
God, these terms of service violations
I
there.
know.
Yeah.
So wait a minute. Is the strategy that you go in on an account, Dave says go long and you go short?
Yeah, yes, pretty
Exactly.
much. It's just
Yes, that's the strategy.
fade Dave immediately on call out. Because
I love
We'll
it.
see how it goes.
I'm not
I'm gonna
lying.
prove it out, man.
His call outs are some of the worst at the moment that you'll ever hear, Annan. Like,
They really are.
I mean,
Yeah.
instantaneously 40 points wrong.
Look at this. Look at this. It's awesome.
I mean, yeah. Think about the time when he was like, we were going down when we were below 750 there. Look at where we're at right now.
This thing's beautiful. I'm absolutely embracing this. Now I just want to make money off of it.
Mason, you still trading over there?
I've not had a position since that 750 long. I'm just sat here waiting.
Nima, I'm just now seeing your message. Yeah. And that wasn't even the full go. He's mad at me.
Thank you, Tanner.
I'm so confused.
Oh, of course I'm not going to say anything.
What
I
is
like-
going on?
I like
today?
backup. Ooh, I need to get rid of this order. Almost had one of those moments again.
A Wesley
How much you
special.
make on that last one?
What did I make on that last one?
Dave wants to know what his
$150.
commission is. Okay.
What?
Not that much on that. Not much commission on that one, Dave. The next
You'll have to
one.
negotiate. I
Yeah.
think
Yeah, that much.
30%.
I'm not opposed to trying it again.
Oh,
You just
I'm-
have to, you
I'm-
can't
I'm
force
sitting on
it.
my
You
hands
have to
right
wait for one of those, impulse calls from Dave. You can't like just force him into.
Oh,
a
is
call.
that how
It doesn't work
I
like
should trade this entire session? Is just every time
Yeah,
Dave
yeah.
makes a call out, just
Yeah.
fade it?
But don't like ask
Seriously.
him. Don't ask him what you think. It's when he
It-
like
it
shouts
has to
out
be
like,
natural.
"This is going down 100 points."
That's
Yeah,
true.
yeah.
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 Yeah, you can't ask me what I think right now. It's not gonna work.
In the words of ICT, it's like when God speaks to him, and then he says the words of God through his mouth.
Ooh.
Jeez, it's already almost 11 o'clock. What is going on here?
Oh, I'm so glad you said that. I got my interview thing I gotta do.
Yeah, I was about to say, don't you have an interview
Anna.
in like 10 minutes, Annan?
Yeah, I do actually.
It's gonna be a very good day.
I'm going to
Annan,
mute myself. What's
Yeah,
up, brother?
No, you're good, brother. We might be off stream by the time you get back. If so, I'll see you in the voice chat. GG's on the trade, by the way.
Thank you,
Ask
brother.
the interviewer if he wants to join. You can put him in the waiting room.
Yeah. Hey, come hang out with my trading
Yeah.
buddies.
Everyone else is in.
Hey,
It's gotta go.
I just gave one of my interview stories. I can absolutely help you.
Oh yeah, you said you had 2 stories. Tell me really quick.
Based on that story, I don't know if you want his advice.
No. Not if you want the interview to go well.
Very true, Bob.
The second interview story is kind of the same thing. I was getting interviewed by everybody under the sun, just multiple times this company. And they were the one who contacted me. And finally, they kept asking me stuff, and I go, look, man, you guys asked me all these questions like I'm gonna know everything. And the last guy that did that, he had a beard and wore sandals, and it didn't end up very well for him. So I'm not doing this anymore. Got the job.
Hired on the spot.
Those are true stories, by the way. They're not made up.
Oh no. You got so many good stories, Dave.
It's true.
What was my worst interview? I had to go for a meeting to shoot some press shots for a band at Universal, and I went in there, and it was like guy from Universal, band manager, and then one of the members from the band, and like talking about photo shoot and showing work and everything, and I was like just losing them, and I could tell it. And then they were just like, yeah, let's just wrap this thing up. Let's wrap this thing up. And like, I wanted the job so badly, and I was like so deflated at the end of it. Like the guy from Universal was walking me out, and I was like, he's shaking hand. And I don't know what was going through my head, and I was like, oh, you're a good guy. And he's like, wait, what do you mean? You don't know me? Why are you saying I'm a good guy? And I was like, oh, I don't know. And he just goes, it's a bit weird, isn't it? And I was like,
Oh.
just died.
Not hired on the spot, I imagine.
Yeah, not hired at all.
No, didn't get that job.
He gets the shoulder tap.
With his picture on it.
We'll call you next week.
You know, it's one of those moments which just keeps. It's one of those moments which just keeps coming back to you, like for like 5 years afterwards, that you just randomly like think of it. Yeah. Just cringe.
Shit, he's actually calling me right
Whoa,
now.
whoa. All right, Adam.
Oh, here we go. Here it is. Oh,
Hey
I called
boys.
it.
Hey,
Oh,
I
hold
called
on.
it.
Hold on.
Do we have news?
I have possibly
What
a
is
toxic exit again.
Oh yeah.
No,
Love
so
it.
close.
Oh,
I got out
it.
at
Call
I got out at
it.
21,875. I
What is
longed
going
the
on?
inversion.
What is going on? What's happened?
Trump probably said something, if I had to guess.
Is
Yeah, I'm
Trump
sure.
offering like a friends and family pass for the people of Gaza? To
Has
his
he
casinos
taken over
built
Gaza
there?
yet?
Yeah.
Oh, my
Looking at financial
gosh.
juice. Let's just see.
They probably
What is going on?
erected a
Oh.
mosque in Gaza.
Trump tariff tweet.
Again,
is he
No,
taking a
Fed
short position
Goldsby
again?
speaking.
what did
I
he
don't
say?
think Fed will play a role in sovereign wealth fund. I think we are on a path to 2%, which is all good. This is at 1042, so something happened.
Chat.
Oh, here it is.
I'm checking Twitter.
Here it is. Trump told
Tariffs as early as
Republican
Friday.
lawmakers he plans to issue reciprocal tariffs as early as Friday. That's what it was. That just came up.
Well,
That's exciting.
I
Just
got
told him.
out at the
It's
perfect
tariffs.
time. Thank you, inversion.
I don't know.
Dave, you were right
you.
all along.
Doesn't matter how it gets there, it just got
I
there.
will never doubt you again.
Told you 100 points more down. You guys, man.
Yeah, you did say that. You're not wrong. You definitely said that.
Yeah,
Holy
he
crap.
did.
That's crazy. 100 points more down. One candle. There you go. Same delivery system.
Dave delivery.
Well, I've just
Well-
had to eat I had to eat a $600 loss, and thank fuck I moved my loss to that.
Back up.
Yeah,
Jesus.
I have something
Now
for
we're
you,
going back
Nims.
up after
I have a good story for Nims. The inversion failed me on the first go, but we came back on a different account. It's only my cursed account. That's what I realized. On the stream and on everything, I've been trading my cursed account, and every time I take a loss, well, not every time, but every time this week has been on the cursed account. So then I switched accounts and made a nice little long off the inversion.
Yes, he did.
Some
All right,
nice recovery here.
I'm long from 520. Am I going to make this money back? It looks like it.
520 on what? YM?
Yeah.
I was gonna say I
Yeah,
don't know
I'm
what
not- I'm not
forex
liking-
spread you're trading on any Q, but
Wes,
The
look at that
dollar
level.
went
That
massively.
level that we drew on 4 months ago on the YM, where it held.
hey, and now this
Well,
is a
I'm not interested in
reclaimed.
shorts anymore.
I say this would be a reclaimed inversion fair or a reclaimed fair value gap at
Oh
10-12.
my
Oh,
God. Make it
God.
stop.
No,
Make it
I'm bringing
stop.
it back to what I said
100%.
earlier. I said this earlier.
Fletcher's
because
right
you-
on it.
It's not an inverted inversion. It's a reclaimed because we came back. It's a civvy, and we came back and treated it as a civvy after inversion. And so far, it's respecting
I
it.
am- It is. It is totally respecting it right now. Let's get this next minute candle to see what it does.
I'll say right now, the body closed way out of the box. I'll say box.
Yeah.
But yeah, this other one is it's testing the midpoint of the wick, but it's not even going up to retest the gap.
Totally isn't.
It did. It
That's a
stayed
breakable
below.
one there, too.
I'd say it stayed below the 50% of that wick, so it's probably going to be heavy unless.
Yep.
Uh,
I think it'd be-
yeah, I think it's going to be heavy.
You know,
it's going to close this out, and it's going to stay heavy.
All right.
I said
No one
This
can
could be
tell
a
me
short.
that Trump's not trading futures.
well, Trump's got an interview at 4:30 our time, Nima, with the Japanese Prime
Oh, he
Minister. It's
just
a press
moved.
conference.
Oh.
I am not trading during that. He's going to come out with some bombshell. We're going to tariff everyone. Everyone gets a tariff.
Yeah.
Mason, that's what caused this thing to dump, and the dollar just shot straight up. It said he
Yeah,
told
well, it's
Republican
good for the dollar.
lawmakers he plans to issue reciprocal tariffs as early as Friday. What? Isn't that like today? That must be next Friday.
He's got plans to turn Hiroshima into the Japanese Riviera.
730 would be a good buy. I don't know when Mr. Fox said that, but if we get back up there, hold above 730, that'd be a really good buy.
Yes, it would. You just got to, yeah. But at 800, there's that 1 minute negative order block up there. That's a magnet, and that might also be a problem with
All right, guys. The Fade Dave indicator is 3 for 3 now. And
Nice.
I've made $1,000 on it.
He's in the middle.
Yeah.
Nice, man.
Chat. Chat.
Wait, so how is Dave looking though?
You know, instead of thanking me, you keep giving me shit. I may just not say anything anymore. That's it. You wrote off.
going.
You wrote off the back of my call outs. Now I'm not.
Dave and I are going to be left amongst ourselves. We're going to get out
Oh
of control.
my goodness.
No one's
That
going to
is-
be here to keep us tame.
That is too
We're going to be
funny.
talking about inversion all session.
Palm, you doing okay over there? The look on your face says.
I don't know.
I mean, I haven't seen you go to the window ledge yet, so I know it's not that bad.
This is an issue right here, though. This previous day. Oh, what does it do right here? This line.
I think this becomes inversion once again. I don't think it stays reclaimed. Is that like nails on chalkboard for you guys?
This is unbelievable, chat. We might have the gold indicator of all time.
Yes. Is this what Chris has been using?
Wow. Wow. Oh.
Sorry, Dave.
No, I'm
Like-
fine. I'm just questioning. I don't know, man.
You're just
Man,
in
I
your,
hope
you're
that
in your
Insight-
head too much, brother. You're in your head too
Yeah.
much.
Yeah, dude. I just can't seem to. The last 3 days, I just can't seem to get a trade that works.
I feel that this whole week for me has been pretty rough. Like, pretty bad. Pretty bad. What are you trading? Opening range, like packs, or what are you trading?
Opening range, yes. Not specifically the way Pax does, because he trades it like a maniac, or
Yeah, he's
like a 3-tick stop on the ES or something. He looks for like the actual true breakout every time. I'm trading more so like break and retest, mostly break and retests of opening range. And I don't know if it's just the product, like maybe it's a seasonal product thing. Like ES today had some beautiful examples of that would have been great trades, versus NQ like didn't even touch it today. And YM and RTY or whatever. So I don't like break and retests of opening range essentially.
So do you go in, like, do you have a bias more or less, or is it just whichever side breaks is that you look for the retest?
The ideal scenario is I want to see a good momentum break of opening range. So not like a choppy, slow, like trade through it, but like with aggression. That tells me that whatever side that is, buyers or sellers, is motivated to find prices outside of opening range to that direction, and then try to get long, or like let's say in this case short on ES when we broke it after news at like 10 and then retested at 10:01 or whatever. Getting short opening range low there would have been beautiful. Like that's a great example of it.
So I don't even, I'm going to put it on my chart real quick. I would say the reason that I stopped really looking at it is because I was finding that, because I was looking for retests as well, but I was finding that the momentum happens on like the initial break, but that same momentum isn't always there after the retest. So I was like it would either like hesitate when I moved my stop to break even, because I was following his like, once it's 5 points in the money or whatever, like auto break even. So it would like it would trigger my auto break even and then come back up and hit me, or it would just barely like go down and then just come out and stop me out anyway. But
yeah,
and like stop orders breaks too.
Yeah, I mean you're gonna take a lot of break evens trading it, but the idea is that they're break evens and that the winners will outweigh that. My thing is like the trades I've been taking, just none of them have worked. Especially, I mean, today is whatever, but Wednesday and Thursday were like I stand by my execution on those days, and I was just getting hosed. Like any trade that had been working the week prior was just failing every single time. So the last 3 days I'm down a little over $7,000.
Is that across like your copy trading?
Yeah, that's across 8.
Across 8. So that's not too bad. That's not too bad. That's pretty. You managed
pretty
it
horrible.
pretty well.
It's pretty atrocious.
No, but you could have bled out way worse.
Yeah,
that's only
definitely could have been worse.
You have 8 accounts and you're down $7,000, so that's only like that's less than $1,000 loss, more or less, per account. So like, and like to put that in perspective, the loss I just said I took on that cursed 50K, I sized up on because I'm tired of having it. Like it's been funded for probably, I don't even know. I'd have to look on Apex's website, but I've never gotten it higher than like 50,500, and like all my other fundeds are much higher than that. So I'm just trying to get rid of this one, like make or break.
Mhm.
And just today, I like off that one trade, I'm down 524. So like if Like if I was copy trading, I could lose $7,000 way quicker than a session. Like I could lose $7,000 on a trade. I'm not gonna lie. Like you.
Yeah, I mean, it's
definitely
the
manage that
money's
one.
one thing. I understand risk-wise what the money equals. Like you have X amount per account. I get all that. It's more so just the fact that like everything I've been doing the last 3 days has been like nothing has worked. And then Martin, I understand like nothing's 100%, nothing works all the time. My thing that I'm struggling with is like learning to understand when it has a higher probability of working versus when it doesn't. I feel like that's what's keeping me behind.
See, something that helped me with that, which some people like, I don't know, some people disagree with it, which I see both sides, but I'm gonna put you on some ICT wisdom. He calls it volatility pinball, and he says just open up a sim account, and just every time you see the setup, just take it, because you're just trying to see what you're trying to refine what you're looking for. So rather than like, oh, I think this is a good setup, or like I think this is an all right setup, like just take a couple days, a week, like whatever it is, and just constantly like don't like over trade, like don't be doing things that don't make sense. But if it lines up in any way with a breakout or retest of your levels, just take it and really refine like what you're looking for, and like what times or what levels give you like fast momentum reactions or only small like base hit reactions.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I just took a short there, 643.75 to 626.50. Yeah.
Hold on, Mr. Fox, please tell me your buy stop did not get triggered. Please tell me it was 427s tonight. You shouldn't. I was gonna say, if that happened, I'm sorry.
Okay, interesting.
Do you trade the breakout with stop order then? Like you get in on the break?
Oh, look at that.
Yes, but not on the actual, like not on opening range itself. I usually look at that on payline, because I found that like the amount of times you'll chop opening range and not actually go anywhere is astounding.
Amen. Or the amount of times like today where you don't really get, like it does the majority of the run, like 80 or 90% of the run, just off rip, like it's just straight. And then you're like, oh, here's a little retracement, and it only gives you like 10 or 15 points, and then chops and slaps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, Dave, did you say you were short, or you got out of the short?
I grabbed a quick short. I mean, I got lucky. I basically bottom ticked getting out. I got in short, just saw it at 643.75, got out at 626.50. That stupid wick went down to 626.25. I can't believe I got that lucky.
You dog.
I mean, I should have got in earlier, but I didn't. I hesitated. So I would have had a bigger run. And then it just ran right back up. Gosh darn, I got lucky.
I said, this looks like it could be the 730 long up, but
yeah, I'm kind of tracking here.
Thing is, though, is
the West.
Like I would. I don't know. How far is this?
I mean, here's the problem, though. I mean, look at the 1 hour. That 1 hour is a one big fair value, and there's a. I mean, if you look at the 1 hour, it looks like it wants 430.
Well, we just made.
Had to say.
Yeah, I don't know if the long is gonna happen.
Yeah, I mean,
and even if it does,
it's
too wide. 1 hour.
Yeah. Look at the 1 hour and look at the there's a previous PDL down there at 430ish. I mean, and if it can close that big positive fair value gap, look at the low resistance liquidity run that it has on the 1 hour down to 430.
I agree.
Guys,
only thing is,
I'm going to be honest here. There's too much trading talk for a trading channel going on here. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Too much information for free. We can't have this.
That's
People
true.
could actually learn.
Right. Yeah.
People might actually learn.
All right, Nathan.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
How old does your fake ID say you are?
How old what?
Does your fake ID say you are?
30 actually.
Okay, nice. Are you white or black
Yeah.
in it?
I'm grey in it actually.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, so Dave, on the daily, if we close today, where like around where the high is, well, it doesn't really matter. It's not going to close in that gap, but
It will not. No.
I'm looking at the wick from.
Oh yeah, I see where you're going. I already see it.
Oh wait, I don't know if
Here's
I
the
said
thing.
daily or hourly, but yeah, I'm at hourly. The 8 a.m.
Okay, you said daily.
Yeah, no, I'm at hourly. The 8 a.m. wick.
Well, look in the daily. Look at the volume imbalance on the daily. That from top is 583 and the bottom is 552. I mean, tell me he doesn't want to get that volume imbalance. See
We have
that?
so many. I don't know if I've been looking at different. Like I've been seeing the continuous contract versus NQH5, and NQH5, which is what I'm trading. I'm not on the continuous. It looks terrible. There's like 12 volume imbalances. But no, I would say we're working the one from the 21st and 22nd. And
I mean,
also like
honestly,
the inversion side of it.
Because of where this is at, we could just be back in a chop zone now. It might be a big chop zone, but we might just chop for a while.
I like
Maybe
the
we're
idea of next week, preferably early in the week. I like the idea of breaking 22,115, but not going to all-time highs, and then getting like a nasty sell-off until May.
Well, yeah. I mean, my portfolio won't like that, but my trading will.
Hey, it's like we were talking about on Wednesday. Wes was like, "Are you a perma bear?" I'm like, "Well, I just like watching retirement accounts get
wrecked. I mean, come
whoa,
on, man.
Whoa. All right.
Yeah, easy now.
We all have one.
Let's just
We
take
all
a step
have-
back.
Reel it in.
Even if yours is more money, it's still the same percentage hit for all of us.
Hey,
Simmer
hey.
down.
All right.
Simmer down.
Yeah.
Yeah, but my run rate's shorter than all of yours. So
Yeah, there's some shots fired at my fellow traders on the YM.
Yeah, I know nothing about the YM. All I know about the YM is that it'll run when nothing else will.
No, the YM, you make money from old people like misclicking and squinting at their computer.
He said misclicking and squinting. Bro, I'm a bartender, and I was listening to these people talk about NVIDIA crashing, and they were like talking about why it was happening, and listening to these two little old women, like, I'm not hating, but like they were really they were up there, all right.
Oh, okay.
And
Sounds like you're hating.
they're sipping on their not champagne, their Chardonnay with ice cubes in it.
Nice.
And they're like, well,
Classic.
NVIDIA crashed because Jeff Bezos and this and that, all the big players, they're all trying to make us broke before we go into this recession and this and that. And I was like, wow, like,
Okay,
wow,
people
you're
want to know
right.
why I'm making
You're
why I make money on the
right. How
YM
did
when
you
this is my
know?
competition.
hold on now. Fletcher, they were right.
Kinda
They
sounds like
just
you're
got
hating.
the name wrong. It wasn't Bezos, it was the Chinese trying to do. They did a nice little rug pull and then bought in. They shorted and then bought in.
And then she was like, I don't know why we even put NVIDIA on it. Like, it's not like we need another computer company. Like this, like she was like complaining about how unstable it is. I'm like, listen,
Yeah,
you're
let's
just
have
gonna have to
intel.
get.
We just need intel.
I don't disagree, but I'm like, listen, if you were this old and this worried about money, why do you have all your money in such volatile? Like, you should put it in bonds or something if you're gonna die in the next 10 years. Like, why are you?
Whoa.
That's a financially responsible thing to say. That's a
Easy
financially
now.
responsible thing to say.
Wow. There's a lot of
Oh,
boomer hate going
guys,
on.
this
Yeah.
weather. Wow.
Yeah, this is
Anyway, I'm short from 700.
I'm short from 682.
How about
I'm
those
looking
Chiefs?
for 80 points here.
How about those
Dave, this is
Chiefs?
what the
Let me tell
bartenders
you.
think about us when we go to bars. Ah, they're gonna be dead in 5 years. I don't even know why they're out.
Bro, these women were
Time
like
stamping everyone.
95 years old.
They were not 95 years old, alright?
Brother,
Okay.
they had like they came on a bus, like a
How old,
assisted
how old
living
are you?
bus.
How old are you, Fletcher?
What senior citizens
you
bar
are.
do you work at?
So what senior citizens bar do you work at?
Yeah, how old are you, Fletcher?
22.
Yeah, you see, this is it. When you're 22, you think anyone above 40 is about to die.
Brother, brother.
I don't know, I have to put a ballpark on him. Yeah, probably around
Brother.
86.
Oh
Uh,
my.
Hey, I just want to let Wes know that yesterday when he was talking about all-time highs last night, I was saying Friday was going to be a down day. I just want that out there. That's in the Discord. It's for a fact.
Everybody
Fletcher's
always
probably
likes to compare their call-outs to mine. Why is that? Why does everybody pull me into these things?
Fletcher's
did you
probably going to
just
be
go
after the
short?
stream. He's going to be telling
I'm
his
short.
mates, "Oh, I had this great stream with this guy Dave. Can't believe he's still trading at over 100. It's incredible."
Nah, I'm gonna tell him how old this
Real
retired
beef.
photographer is, though. I'll be like, yo, my homie Dave and this old ass photographer, man. Like, I don't know. He's retired. I've never really seen his face. He just says he reads. He's always at the bookstore. He gets money delivered in duffel bags to his door. They're gonna be like, man, is he a YM trader? I'll be like, how'd you know?
Yeah, that's right. That is right.
He said that is right.
Well, boys, I got a couple minutes here, and then I gotta roll. I gotta end the stream. I gotta go do some
Yeah,
other
me too.
things. But
There you go. Stare at the window ledge.
Someone needs to check on Paul.
Link the Samaritan's number in the description of this one, please.
Palm Nimkins says he has
For
a
sure,
white,
little
a
waste.
white powdery substance for you that will cure all things.
Yeah.
Sus.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for coming on for the 100th. I appreciate all you guys tuning in and well, causing
You're welcome.
causing ICT chaos.
You are more than welcome, my good sir. Happy 100.
Yeah. Thanks for tuning in to Fair
Thank you,
Value
guys.
Gap Fridays, everyone.
Thank you, guys. So degeneracy trading I am up $700 right now, total with the degenerate trading. Let's see how many trades I placed.
There you go.
I placed 10 trades in this stream, so that's a lot.
Wow. Did you take any off of like Wesley knowledge, or were they all?
No, they were
Dave
all
strat?
they were all
Dave
fade Dave.
based.
My first one was a Wesley knowledge, but everything else was fade Dave, and it was let's see here,
Highly profitable.
Profitable.
it was 5 out of 7.
Hell yeah.
Somewhere break
pretty-
evens, but yeah, 5 for 7 on the hits.
Hey, that's enough for a
Love it.
Discord room. That's
I
enough
love
for a paid Discord.
Yes, it is. Thank you, Fletcher. We're doing it.
He said we're doing it.
Well, Dave, I hope your Chiefs get ran over this weekend. Thanks for coming on, guys. Palm, cheer up, brother. I see the look on your face.
Yeah, I can't wait to go to work. So
Mason, thanks for joining us.
It could be
Yeah,
worse.
always.
It could be worse, Palm. You could be getting bar advice from Fletcher. Could be taking trade advice. From
yeah, that's
little
true.
ladies. It
I could be
worse.
ordering my champagne with a Chardonnay with ice cubes, and then the dude behind the counter. tells me, "You don't know
True,
shit."
All right, guys, enjoy your
Those
weekend,
idiots.
and
Get
I
back
will
on my
see you
bus.
all on Monday. Peace.
All right.
Peace.